How many times have you studied for hours, reading, writing, memorizing, and still felt like nothing stuck? You work so hard, but the results are small. The problem isn't you, or your abilities. The real issue is how you study. Today, I'll show you simple but powerful strategies that'll help you study smart, remember faster, and learn more, without exhausting yourself. First, know your destination before you start. Just like you can't travel without knowing your destination, you can't study effectively without a clear goal. Say to yourself, today I'll understand Newton's first law and solve 5 problems on it. When your goal is clear, your brain works with focus. Use the SMART rule. S. Specific. M. Measurable. Achievable. R. Relevant. T. Time-bound. Every study session should start with a small, clear goal so your brain knows when to start and when to stop. Second, use active recall. Many students think reading over and over means they understand. But reading alone doesn't fix knowledge in your memory. What really works is trying to recall it yourself. Close the book and ask yourself, what was that formula I just read? What was the main idea of that lesson? Even if you forget, the effort of recalling strengthens your brain's memory pathways. Keep flashcards or use apps like Anki or Quizlet to practice active recall easily. Third, spaced repetition. Memory is like a muscle, it gets stronger with regular training. But if you review everything in one day, the information disappears quickly. Instead, review over spaced intervals, today, 2 days later, a week later, then a month later. Each review rebuilds the knowledge in your brain and moves it from short-term to long-term memory. Make a simple calendar with review dates for each topic, and you'll be surprised how well you remember after a few weeks. Fourth, the Pomodoro technique. Your brain doesn't like long, boring study sessions. The best way to stay focused is to study in short, intense bursts. Use the Pomodoro timer, 25 minutes of full focus plus 5 minutes of rest. After 4 sessions, take a longer 20-minute break. During the 25 minutes, no WhatsApp, no notifications, no distractions. Keep your phone away. Those short breaks are crucial, they let your mind recharge and lock in the information. Fifth, mix subjects. Your brain loves variety. If you study one subject for hours, boredom takes over and learning slows down. But when you switch between topics, like math, then biology, then chemistry, your brain becomes more flexible. Mixing subjects helps you connect ideas and strengthens understanding. So instead of spending a whole day on one physics chapter, try studying physics, then a bit of language, then back to physics the next day. Sixth, teach others. They say, the best way to learn is to teach. If you can explain a concept to someone else, or even to yourself out loud, that means you truly understand it. Record yourself explaining a topic as if you're a teacher, or tell a friend what you learned today. You'll notice unclear points show up, and that's your chance to review and master them. Seventh, test yourself regularly. Tests aren't just for school, they're a training tool. When you solve old exams or quizzes, you train your brain to think in the same way as during real tests. You also discover your real weak points. Set one day every week to test yourself on the material you've studied, no notes, no books. This habit will make you confident and calm during the actual exam. Eighth, don't forget the basics: sleep, food, rest. Your brain can't focus or remember if your body's exhausted. Sleep at least 7 hours a night. Eat light, balanced meals rich in protein and fruits, and drink enough water. And when you feel tired, rest without guilt. Balance is the secret to studying smart. Study smart, not hard. One small step every day takes you far. Start by applying just one of these strategies today and feel the difference yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more study tips and success strategies.